Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple process of logging into your Amazon affiliate account. Follow these easy steps to get started. Step 1. Go to the Amazon Associates website. Open your web browser and type in the URL www.associates.amazon.com. This is the official site for the Amazon Affiliate Program. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Amazon affiliate account in the provided field. Step 4. Input your password. Next, type your password in the password field. Make sure it's the same password you used when you created your Amazon affiliate account. Step 5. Click on Sign In. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button to log into your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Amazon affiliate dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting. Login issues. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, take some time to explore your dashboard. Here, you can access your links, reports, and any other resources available to you as an Amazon affiliate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.